Okay, this is lesson 3.2, solving multi-step equations. There's the homework. Don't forget about the problem of the week, and on Friday we're having this quiz. Go ahead and hit pause now so you can get that copied down. Here are the answers to last night's homework. Again, hit pause so you can check this. I will answer questions tomorrow. All right, I want you to hit pause, read this problem, and then on your paper, write A equals, B equals, C equals, and X equals, and be very specific about what each one of these variables stand for. So go ahead and hit pause, and again, we're going to talk about this tomorrow in class. All right, here we are with our lesson. You want to get your note packet out. I gave this to you. It is, I think, gold. All right, we're going to solve these equations, and these are a little bit more complicated than the ones we did on Friday. This equation, variables on the left side, you say to yourself, there's only one variable, and what number on this side is farthest from the variable? Well, this divided by -4. So we're going to move that first by multiplying both sides by -4. -4 divided by -4 is 1. So I've got j plus 18 equals -32. Subtract 18 from both sides. J is -50. Now, here's one with fractions. And again, a lot of you probably don't want to deal with fractions. So if you want to clear this equation of fractions, the common denominator would be 4. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. But on this left side, make sure you multiply the entire thing by 4. 4 times 1/4 is 1. 1/4 h times 4 is just h, plus 4 times 4 is 16. Look at how simple that is now. Subtract 16 from both sides. H is -15. Now, you could solve that by not clearing the fractions, but it's going to take a little bit more work. Okay. Noah and Kate are shopping for new, let me see, here we go. The selling price of a television in a retail store is 66 less than 3 times the wholesale price. If the selling price is $8.99, ready to solve the equation to find the wholesale price. So, define your variable. What are we looking for? Let x equal the wholesale price. So, the selling price is, they're telling us that the selling price is $8.99. So $8.99 is 66 less than 3 times the wholesale price. Well, x is the wholesale price. 3 times the wholesale price is 3x. 66 less minus 66. And make sure you do minus 66 and not the other way around. Okay, solve this. Add 66 to both sides, and I get 965 equals 3x. Divide both sides by 3, and I end up with 965 divided by 3 is $321.67. You are going to want to divide that into dollars and cents. And I round it. Okay. Noah and Kate are shopping for new guitar strings in a music store. Noah buys 2 packs of strings, and Kate buys 2 packs of strings in a music book. The book costs 16. Their total is 72. How much is a pack of strings? Well, that's what we're looking for. Let x equal the cost of 1 pack of strings. So, let's see. Noah bought 2 packs of strings. That's 2x. Kate buys 2 packs of strings, so plus 2x, and a music book. And the book costs 16. So there's Noah's and Kate's. And their total was 72. Let's solve this. Simplify both sides. So on this side, I'm going to have 4x plus 16 equals 72. Subtract 16 from both sides, and I get 4x is 56. Divide both sides by 4, and I end up with x is 14. So it's $14 per. All right. Part A, solve this. Well, again, the 4 is the furthest from the variable, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. So this is going to be negative 32 equals x plus 2. Subtract 2 from both sides, and I get x is negative 34. Now, write the right side of the equation in part A as the sum of two fractions. So, if I rewrite this as negative 8 equals x divided by 4 plus 2 fourths, which would be 1/2. That's how you break this original side out. This is x plus 2 divided by 4. That's the same as x divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 4. And then solve the equation. Well, look, wouldn't I still multiply the whole entire thing or both sides by 4? So negative 4 times 8 is negative 32. Negative, or 4 times x over 4 is just x. 4 times 2 over 4 is just 2. Same exact thing. Subtract 2 from both sides. X equals negative 34. Why did you find the equation in part A or the rewritten equation easier? I would say part A. It's the same thing, just quicker. All right, here we go. Here's one with decimals. Again, you could solve it with decimals, but I think most of you prefer not dealing with the decimal. So I'm going to multiply this by 10 because I only need to move the decimal one place for this particular equation. So this will be 12x minus 36 plus 3x equals 24. It just looks better. Now, combine my terms on this side. I'll have 15x minus 36 equals 24. I'm going to add 36 to both sides. 15x is 60. Divide both sides by 15, and I end up with x is 4. We're going to skip that one because it's the same exact thing. All right, now, I want to look at this equation. What Ben did is he looked at the right side and he said, okay, 5 is farthest from the G. He divided both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1, so I'll G plus 3 equals negative 24 fifths, which would be, 4 and 4 fifths. Subtract 3 from both sides, and you end up with negative 7 and 4 fifths. Now, this one, Amelia, same exact problem, but she chose to distribute the 5 first. When she does that, she gets 5g plus 15. Then subtract 15 from both sides. Negative 24 minus 15 is negative 35, or negative 39. Divide both sides by 5, and negative 39 divided by 5 is negative 7 and 4 fifths. Personally, I think with these numbers, this distributing worked out better because we don't have to deal with this fraction here. All right, here we go. Remember our steps to solve the equation. Simplify both sides. And when we're simplifying, we need to use a distributor before we combine my terms. Here I'm distributing a 2. And in this one, don't forget you are distributing a negative 1. So when I distribute this, I will have 6x minus 8 minus 4x minus 3 equals 20. Make sure you distribute a negative 1 when you are subtracting an entire quantity. Now I'm going to combine my terms. So I'll have 2x, negative 8 minus 3 is negative 11 equals 20. Add 11 to both sides, and I get 2x equals negative, or positive 31. Divide both sides by 2. X, I would leave it 31 over 2. But you can change it to a mixed number, 15 and 1/2. Alright, now, here's a triangle. What you need to know about triangles, we talked about on Friday, isosceles triangles, 2 sides were equal, which means it had 2 equal angles. This is just a regular old triangle. You need to know that the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is a fact that you need to know. In every triangle in the world, the three angles add up to 180. So the equation that I would write here would be 4x plus 70 plus x plus 5 plus 25 has to equal 180. So simplify your left side. 4x plus x is 5x. 70 plus 5 plus 25 is 100, right? Subtract 100 from both sides. So I have 5x equals 80. Divide both sides by 5, I think that's 16. Yep, x is 16. All right, I want you to pause this, do these two problems, and then I am going to solve them. You can check them. So pause it right now, work them out. Okay, so here are the solutions. Go ahead and check your work. And if you need help, consult one of your partners or ask me. All right, same thing. Pause this and work these two out. All right, here are the solutions for these two. Again, check your work, see if you made any mistakes, and figure out where you did. If not, you need to ask questions.